Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I've got a small stone. I have to drill a hole in this gemstone. I have never done this before. It's my first experience. I have watched some videos online where people hold the stone like this between their fingers and they drill it a diamond bit. But the problem here is this gemstone surface is very smooth and it's very shiny as well. So sometimes this diamond bit slip from the stone and it can hurt your fingers, so which I want to avoid, and have to find a solution where I have to keep my fingers away from this gemstone, and if something else can hold this gemstone and I can drill it. I've got a transfer jig which I use to transfer stones from one docking stick to the other while fasting the stones. So if I can manage to hold the stone between these two docking sticks, then I think I can cut a hole in that stone. Problem here is that these docking sticks are made of metal, and if I press the stone between these two docking sticks hard, then I think it can break the stone, so which I want to avoid. And but the solution for me is if I put something soft on top of this docking stick which can hold this stone. So for that I have a small piece of plastic. If I cut a small piece of this plastic and glue it on the top of this docking stick, and if I there we go. So now we'll leave it to dry. So I have made two docking sticks like this. Yep, they perfectly hold the stone, so stone is not moving. So now we can drill a hole in this stone. Now we'll mark a point where we'll drill this stone. So I think I will drill over here. Always use water when you are drilling or cutting the stone with the diamond bits. Let's start drilling now. So I will use water a bit. Water in this one. Let's try this one. Here we are. I have successfully drilled a hole in this gemstone. It's not a bad result for the first time. I think with little more practice I can make it much better next time. But the thing is, I have learned a lot. I have learned a new skill which is very valuable. And also I have learned that with small modifications of these existing tools you can simplify any laboratory task. And yeah, this small tool can help me in the future as well. And thank you very much for watching. Please do tell me about this video in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the channel as well. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.